You can use the Shake Add to Cart button app. So this is the app that you can use on your Shopify store. This app will provide a shake effect on your Add to Cart button that will help you to boost conversion, and it will give you a Add to Cart interactive UI with the shake effect, and you can change the speed of the Shake Add to Cart button. This app provides the 7-day free trial as well. The cost of the app is $2. So it is pretty easy to install. You don't need to run any code on your Shopify theme store. Just install the app. I share the link in the description, and this app will work like a charm, and it will help you to boost conversion. As you can see, a lot of customer facing too much traffic, but the conversions are less. So you can use this effect on your add to cart button that will increase the sales. So this app provide 7-day free trial. So you can try that app on your Shopify store. If you don't like, you can just uninstall. But if you like, it will cost you around $2. That is very less as compared to the conversion you will get with this app. So my suggestion is use this app, as you will get the animation time effect and box shadow on your Shopify store. And the best part is they provide the shake effect without coding. I share the link in the description. Share your thoughts on the comment section as well. Thank you.